Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, it is specifically for people that have acne and acne scars. I'm going to show you how to make turmeric face mask for that specific problem. We're also gonna be talking a little bit about the benefits of applying turmeric on our skin. So if you want to learn everything about turmeric with me, keep on watching. For this turmeric face mask, we're going to combine half of a teaspoon of turmeric and then the same amount of lime juice, then add 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt and another teaspoon of oatmeal. Mix everything for about a minute and begin to apply. Now we're gonna do the same as always. Apply on clean skin. Because this one contains lemon, it is important to apply at night. Right there on the floor. If you want to get rid of acne and acne scars, turmeric face mask is one of the best organic masks to treat this type of problems. Turmeric possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help us to reduce acne breakouts. And thanks to the antioxidant component will give us glowing skin, heal acne scars, and even light up dark spots. Wait for about 10 minutes until it kind of gets a little bit dry. It doesn't have to be 100% dry. It's up to you, but 10 minutes will do the work. Applying this face mask 3 times a week and at least once a week if you really want to see results on your skin. As you can see, my skin looks super glowing. It is very soft. I just want to make sure that I have a 0 turmeric on my skin. So what you have to do is to grab a piece of cotton like this one and your toner, whatever toner you use, add as normal. I didn't see anything, but I'm gonna show you how the cotton looks. So this is all I have for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you want to become part of this organic family, you only need to subscribe, and I'll see you in a few days. Pura Vida!